Hi kids! Welcome to our Mathematics 6 class. Our topic for today is speed, distance, and time. I am your teacher, Teacher Zaida. Okay, let's start our discussion by reading the problem. Okay, let's read. George drove to Quezon City at an average speed of 90 kilometers per hour for 2 hours. How far did George go? Again, George drove to Quezon City at an average speed of 90 kilometers per hour for 2 hours. How far did George go? Did you get the problem? Okay, very good. Okay, so let's solve. To solve, we will be using agonsa. Okay, again, what is agonsa? For A, we have what is asked in the problem. Okay, so what is asked in the problem? Okay, very good. We are asked the distance George drove. Okay, for G, given. So what are given in the problem? What are given in the problem? Okay, good job. We are given a speed that is 90 kilometers per hour and the time of travel that is 2 hours. Okay, for O, we have operation. So what is or are the operation or operations to be used? Okay, and for N, we have number sentence. So what is the number sentence? Okay, now, to be able to know the operation or operations to be used and the number sentence, we have to know first the relationship of speed, distance, and time. Again, to be able to know the operation or operations to be used and the number sentence, we have to know first the relationship of speed, distance, and time. Did you get that? Okay, very good. Okay, now, speed, distance, and time have this kind of relationship. Okay, look at this figure. Now, what does this figure tells us? Let's find out. So again, what does the figure mean? This tells us that d, or the distance, is equal to s times t, or speed times time. Okay, and it also tells us that s, or speed, is equal to d divided by t, or distance divided by time. Okay, and it also tells us that t, or time, is equal to distance divided by speed. Okay, did you get that? Okay, good job. Now going back to O and N, or operation and number sentence, what do you think is or are the operation or operations to be used? Again, we are looking for what? Okay, very good. We are looking for distance. So what operation should we use? Okay, very good. We will be using multiplication. Okay, and what is our number sentence? Okay, good job. Looking for distance, we have distance is equal to speed times time. Okay, or distance is equal to 90 kilometers per hour times 2 hours. Okay, now we're done with O and N. Let's go now to, okay, very good, another S. Okay, for S, or solution, so let's show our solution. We have 90 kilometers per hour times 2 hours, or we write it this way, and we can now cancel R. Okay, and then we just multiply 90 and 2. 90 times 2 is 180. So we have 180 kilometers. Okay? And now for our A, we have our answer. So what is our final answer? Final answer is George drove a distance of 180 kilometers. Did you get that? Okay, good job. Okay, let's try this. Since we now know the relationship of speed, distance, and time, try to solve the following. So we will be reading two problems. After reading the problem, please click pause so you could try solving the problem on your own. If you're done, click play again so you could check if you're correct. Okay? Okay. Let's read our first problem. Len ran a 200-meter sprint at a school competition. She ran at an average speed of 5 meters per second. How long did it take her to finish the race? Again, Len ran a 200-meter sprint at a school competition. She ran at an average speed of 5 meters per second. How long did it take her to finish the race? Did you get the problem? Okay, good job. Please click pause so you could try solving this problem on your own, and then click play again so you could check. Okay? Okay, click pause. Are you done? Okay, let's solve. What is asked in the problem? Okay, very good. The time it took Len to finish the race. For G, what are the given information in the problem? Okay, we have 5 meters per second for speed and a distance of 200 meters. Very good. Okay, next, for O, the operation or operations to be used. Okay, good job. From this figure, we are looking for time. So we have to, okay, we have to divide. So our operation to be used is division. Okay, and number 4, for our number sentence, we have T is equal to D divided by S. Okay, our time is equal to distance divided by speed. Okay, so we have 200 meters, which is our distance, divided by 5 meters per second, which is our speed. Did you get that? Okay. Okay, for our S solution, again we have 200 meters divided by 2 meters per second. This will become 200 meters times second over 2 meters. We simply multiplied 200 meters by the reciprocal of its divisor. Okay? And then we cancel 2 from 202, which is their GCF. So 200 will become 100 and 2 will become 1. Okay? And then we also cancel the unit meters. So we're left with 100 times S over 1. And we have 100 seconds. Okay? Okay, and for our A, our final answer, it took 100 seconds for Len to finish the race. Did you get the same answer? Okay, good job. Are you ready for problem number 2? Okay, let's read. Coco the tiny dog ran for 2 minutes from the local store to our house. If she ran a distance of 500 meters, what is Coco's average speed? Again, Coco the tiny dog ran for 2 minutes from the local store to our house. If she ran a distance of 500 meters, what is Coco's average speed? Did you get the problem? Okay, very good. Please click pause so you could do the problem on your own and click play again so you could check. Okay? Okay, please click pause. Are you done? Okay, let's have our solution. So our number sentence is S is equal to D divided by T, or speed is equal to distance divided by time. Okay, and we have 500 meters for distance and 2 minutes for time. So we have 500 meters divided by 2 minutes, and we divide 500 by 2, we'll have 250 meter per minute. Did you get that? Okay, very good. Okay, I hope that you were able to understand our lesson and is now ready to answer our module. Okay, until next time, goodbye.